So right now I've got her running. You're down there. So first thing I did was I detected that there was power at the power cord coming in. Then I checked your connections to make sure they were tight. That was all good. So what I did is disconnected the power, waited a minute, plugged it back in, and I opened the door and it just started lighting up. So I'm gonna check to make sure the door doesn't have any broken wires like when it opens, but it's possible the computer needed to be rebooted. So unplugging it and plugging it in might have fixed it. I'll know in a minute. I'm gonna put her back together in a second. So she's running. All right, let me know how it works.